Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here then hi, my name is Sophie and welcome to my space on the internet. In today's video we are doing this red sunsetty smoky eye that I have on my face right now, and to do that we use the Sophie x Kaylee Urban Bible palette, which I love. It is amazing. I'll link the video up here or here, whichever side it appears, with a video where I first test it out and do swatches and everything, so you can check that out as well. But yeah, without further ado, let's get doing this makeup look. Okay, so I've done one eye to start with. I'm now going to do the other eye. I'm going to use my Sophie x Kaylee palette and I'm going to go into the red shade Sacred Fire, and I'm just going to dab that on my eye. Literally just placing this in my crease and I'm going to drag it down and wing it out a little bit. Okay, so I'm now going to take the shade Majesty, the orange shade here, and I'm going to dab that along where we've popped the red. Just taking a little bullet brush and doing this. Going back in with a little brush that we used for the red, and just going along that line where we blended the two together. And then taking a little fluffy brush, I'm just going to fluff out the edges of the orange. And I'm just going to clean up underneath the eye with a makeup wipe, just sharpening it up. So this is what the eye is looking like so far. I'm now going to do the little yellow cut creasy part. I'm just going to take my P.LOUISE base and a little Sophie brush and do that. So now that I've cut the crease, I'm now going to pack on the yellow shade from the palette, the Faith shade, and pack that from the inner corner outwards a little bit. It does take a little bit of time to build up just because it's got a pink undertone from the red we got the crease underneath with. Next, taking the little brush that we used on the red, I'm just going to drag that over the edges of the cut crease. And then I'm going to take the bullet brush with the shade Majesty on, the orange shade. Just drag that onto it as well, just to give a little bit of a gradient from the yellow to the pink on the outside. So this is what the eyes are looking like so far. I'm now going to pop off camera and do the rest of my face, and I'll be back to do the lower lash line. Okay, I'm back and I've done the rest of my face. I'm now going to do the lower lash line. I don't know what colour I'm going to do. I think I should do keep it red or do yellow, or switch it up completely. No, I'm going to take the shade Majesty. I'm going to take the orange and I'm going to put that all along the lower lash line. And then just taking a fluffy brush, I'm just going to blend the edges of that out. And I'm just going to take a really thin brush and I'm going to take the Sacred Fire red shade and pop that really close to the lash line. So I'm now just going to highlight the inner corner with my Ofra highlight in Glazed Donut. I'm just going to shove that right in the inner corner just to give it a bit of a pop. And then I'm just going to highlight my brow bone, but I'm going to go into the James Charles palette and take the shade Ring Light to do that, because it is my all-time favourite. So it's this shade here. I'm going to take that on my brow bone. And then just taking a little brush, I'm just going to blend in the edges of that so it's seamless. Lovely, and that is the eyes pretty much done. I'm just going to pop off camera and I'll be back with finished look. I am back and I've just finished off this look with some mascara and some lipstick using the MAC lip liner in Soar and the Rimmel lipstick in High Flyer 610 and pop them on my lips. And yeah, this is the finished makeup look. It is a super cute red smoky sunset eye, pretty simple to achieve, and yeah, I wanted to do something red and smoky and that's what I've done today. Like always on my channel, I am no makeup artist, I am just learning to do makeup and you are learning along with me. That's basically what my channel is. I upload Wednesdays and Sundays, so if you want to see more from me then make sure you hit subscribe, make sure you like this video as well, it makes me know that you enjoyed it. And yeah, thank you so much for watching and have a lovely day.